nail polish. I don't even do my nails. BB. I don't wear that. I think SPF is a face mask, so I'm gonna keep that. I don't wear it.
So I just found out that this is not the Walmart that my dad usually takes me to. This is just the grocery store, and the super center is just a few minutes down the road. I really needed the super center so I could return this silly little car mount that didn't work at the beginning of this trip. Okay, we just finished making a pit stop in South Carolina because I was like almost out of gas. So much to the point that it was like, I guess I missed the last exit, and then there was so much time before you get to the next exit. Anyway, we get to this Exxon, we fill up the gas tank, we go inside to get some snacks, we get to the counter, and there's this nice man, nice country dude, and he might be sick or something, I don't know, but he just starts pressing his hands and fingers up against his nose and just wiping it really hard. And then he takes those same fingers and starts to punch the buttons on the keypad to put in his PIN number for the ATM money. It was so disgusting. I couldn't touch it. Anyway, just food for thought. Can't wait till we get to Georgia. I don't know if you can see that water. It's always nice to be near water. I just love being by the water. I love road trips and I love the water. I also like tractor trailers for some reason. For a better day to do a drive like this. It has been great weather from the beginning up until now. I'm really, really looking forward to this trip. So Bo got out the crate. Now we're trying to get him back in without stopping. Anyway, we didn't really want to keep him in the crate the entire trip anyway. Problem is, the rental-car company said no pets and animals in the vehicle. So as you can see, I covered the back seat and the front seats with the front headrest with fitted sheets. And then I put the flat sheet underneath of them, and oh, look at that. Hi, Bo. Hi, baby. Anyway, who cares, right? My two babies.
Polish. I don't even do my nails. BB. I don't wear that. I think SPF is a face mask, so I'm gonna keep that. I don't wear lip balm.
Can you guys hear that? This is what I have to listen to. They're knocked out. While I'm on this escapade. But can't say I blame him. I've been known to do that a time or two. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys some of my view because I'm in Georgia. welcome to Florida sign, and I just can't. Oh, look. I can't, because you can't do that on the highway. Okay, we're in Florida now. Finally. Woo. I was about to miss the Florida sign. Well, we have made it to the 6th state of the day. And now we've got, let's see, a couple more hours before I get to my daddy's house. This is gonna be a great trip. I think Bo is chilled out now in his bed, and me and my daughter, we just having some mommy-daughter exchange of words. Okay, here we go. So we're kind of here. Just had to make a quick stop at Walmart. So I've been to this Walmart with my dad before. Every time actually we come here, I come here to visit. I actually like this Walmart better than the one at home. One's at home. Shh, don't tell nobody. All right, we're going into, look at that. Look at this beautiful Walmart. I wish I could turn the camera around this way. Beautiful Walmart. Oh my goodness. It's just so nice in here. I always love it. Where'd my little Tay go? This is gonna be a real quick stop. I just love Walmart. Look at all that. So I just found out that this is not the Walmart that my dad usually takes me to. This is just the grocery store, and the super center is just a few minutes down the road. I really needed the super center so I could return this silly little car mount that didn't work at the beginning of this trip.
Huh?